Hello guys, this is Lucas, and this is another teaser of Ultra36, the multi-ROM switcher for Commodore 128. As you see, we have stock basic now, so let's get to it. To enter a menu program, what you do, you hold reset for 3 seconds. And now you in menu program. Let's turn on Jiffy DOS. You press F2 to enter another sub-menu. And let's turn the Jiffy DOS on. Let's reset or power off, doesn't matter. And we have Jiffy DOS, okay? So no function ROM is selected now. Let's hold again. Let's choose something like servant, maybe. So now the servant function ROM selected. We can reset or power off, and we have servant. Okay, to demonstrate that we can power off and it will remember servant again. Okay, so let's get out of servant. Hold reset again for 3 seconds. And maybe now try GEOS. Okay, so we turn on GEOS. I will have to turn my drive on. Sorry. So the drive is on with GEOS disk, obviously, but that's how it works. And now let's reset. We're gonna have to GEOS expects for 80 columns. Yeah, as you see, it's loading. Yeah, so that's that for today. Thank you guys, see you later.